Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some quick and useful hacks that will solve everyday problems in every household of our country. So grab your tea and samosas, sit back, and let's get started. Oh no! Who hasn't faced the wrath of the haldi stain? 1 minute you're enjoying a delicious plate of biryani, the next you're sporting a bright yellow badge of honor on your favorite kurta. Don't worry, Alam's mom has a solution. Take some baking soda and mix it with some lemon juice. Apply this magical paste to the stain, let it sit for about half an hour, and then wash your clothes as usual. Boom! Stain vanished, like magic. If it's a really stubborn stain, just repeat the process. Trust me, even Titu Mama's infamous holy stains won't stand a chance against this powerful concoction. Now, let's move on to the next kitchen crisis. Like and subscribe our channel for more such useful videos. Oh no, so many ants! Those tiny little creatures that seem to appear out of nowhere, especially when there's something sweet in the kitchen. But don't worry, we have a secret weapon against these tiny invaders. Turmeric! Sprinkle some turmeric powder around the areas where you see ants. Think of it as creating a magical barrier, a line of control for your kitchen. The ants will be like, nope, not crossing that line. Turmeric acts as a natural repellent, keeping those pesky ants away from your precious food. Don't worry, it won't stain your kitchen counters. Just use a small amount, and if there's any residue, just wipe it away with a damp cloth. So, say goodbye to ant invasions and hello to a peaceful ant-free kitchen. Now, are you ready to peel some garlic? Because our next hack is all about that. Peeling garlic. It's a task that can test even the most patient person's sanity. But fear not, garlic lovers, because we have a hack that will change your life. Take all your garlic cloves, put them in a metal bowl, cover it with another metal bowl, and then shake, shake, shake. After a good shake, the garlic skins will magically separate from the cloves. The friction between the cloves and the bowls causes the skins to loosen and come off effortlessly. No more painstakingly peeling each clove individually. Just shake, 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 and you're done. Now let's move on to the next hack, which is all about rice. Boiling rice can be a tricky business. 1 minute it's simmering peacefully, the next it's bubbling over and creating a starchy mess on your stovetop. But fear not, rice enthusiasts, because we have a simple solution that will prevent this culinary catastrophe. And it involves a wooden spoon. Just place the spoon across the top of your pot while the rice is cooking. The spoon disrupts the surface tension of the water, preventing it from boiling over. No more messy boilovers, no more scrubbing the stovetop. This hack is especially useful when you're cooking a large pot of rice for a family gathering or a party. Now let's move on to our final hack. Slow Wi-Fi. It's the bane of modern existence. But what if I told you there's a simple way to boost your Wi-Fi signal without spending a fortune on new equipment? The secret lies in the placement of your router. Think of your router as the heart of your home's internet connection. It needs to be in a central location, a place where it can pump its Wi-Fi goodness to every corner of your house. Avoid placing it in corners, behind furniture, or near other electronic devices. Find a central, open location for your router, preferably elevated, so it can broadcast its signal far and wide. This simple hack can make a big difference in your Wi-Fi speed. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these Desi hacks useful. From banishing haldi stains to boosting your Wi-Fi signal, we've covered everything you need to know to make your life a little easier. So go ahead, try these hacks out for yourself and see the magic happen. And don't forget to share these tips with your friends and family. Spread the Desi hack love. Who knows, you might just become the go-to person for all things Desi and ingenious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. See you next time!